chapter 5, number 6. You're going to solve each inequality, then make sure you graph the solution here. This is a compound inequality, right? There are three sides. There are left side, the middle, and the right-hand side, right? So we're trying to get the variable alone, so we're going to divide by 6 to everything, left, right, and the middle, okay? This does cancel in the middle here, just leaving you with just an n. Nothing happens to the inequalities, so make sure we just bring it down, okay? 18 divided by 6, which is 3. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Now when we graph it, we want to make sure we include the number 0, the number 3, and the number 10 here, okay? It is closed here at 10, right? And it is open here at 3, okay? And it says n is less than or equal to 10, which is greater than 3. So we combine these two, making this an AND equation, okay? This is what an AND one would look like. All right, now let's do B, okay? Same process here. We have 2n plus 8. We're trying to get n alone, so let's subtract the 8 to the left and to the right, basically to everything. This does cancel. 10 minus 8, which is 2, bring down that 2n. 18 minus 8, which is 10. Make sure you bring down the inequality symbols as well. Now we divide by 2 to everything. Left, middle, and right. This cancels in the middle, just leaving you with just an n. You bring down all the inequalities like normal. 2 divided by 2 gets you 1. 10 divided by 2 gets you 5. Let's draw the number line here. So we need 0, 1, and 5. They're both open here. N is less than 5, so we go to all the way to the left. And n is greater than 1, so we go to the right. They combine. This is how an AND inequality would look like. C. We have 9x in the middle, so we're going to divide 9 to everything, to the left, to the right. 54 divided by 9, this gets you negative 6. Okay, this gets you x. Negative 27 divided by 9 gets you 3. Negative 3. Okay, bring down the inequalities exactly the way you see it. Here is a number line. You don't flip anything because you divide it by a positive number. Okay, so you don't flip any of the inequalities. Here's 0, here's negative 3, and here's negative 6. We close it at negative 6, and we open it here at 3. X, it is less than negative, x is less than negative 3, so it's this way, and x is greater than negative 6, so it is combined here. This is how the AND inequalities would look like. Okay, notice all the AND inequalities are together, they're connected.